Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to organize and clean up your bookmarks, as well as give you a cool tip on saving open tabs. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you how to do is how to bookmark a website. Navigate to the site you want to bookmark because it's one you use frequently. Let's bookmark my drive. Note that I already have my drive up and running. All I need to do to bookmark it is click the star. But wait, there's more. Notice that Google automatically gives the bookmark the name My Drive-Google Drive. And note that it wants to save it on the Bookmarks bar. But the words My Drive, Google Drive take up a lot of space. And I want to get as many bookmarks on the Bookmarks bar as I can. So I know that the icon is probably going to be the multicolored triangle. And if I recognize that, I don't really need the words My Drive, Google Drive. So I'm literally going to click the backspace key and delete them. Now, if I'm not sure I recognize the emoticon, but I want to have a shorter name in there, I can remove what's there and I can simply type drive. And I can click done. Now I've got lots of bookmarks and this one's probably going to end up at the far end, but I want mine to be toward the front, so I'm just going to click it and drag it up onto my bookmarks bar. And I like the fact that I can click and drag my bookmarks so I can rearrange them the order that I want them to be in. But if you look at the bookmarks that I have here on my bookmarks bar, they take up a lot of space. I recognize this favicon as being drive, so if I right-click on it and edit, I can take out the word drive and click Save. And now notice that I just have the favicon here. I recognize that the C is Infinite Campus, so I can do the same thing. Right-click, edit, take out Lynchburg City Schools login, and save. I recognize that this is Google Classroom. I don't need that, so edit, delete, save. Now notice what happens. All of these other bookmarks that I had in that huge drop-down list now start appearing on my bookmarks bar. So, let's say that I have a variety of files or websites that I open on a daily basis. I can create a folder to put all of those in and then open all of them in one click. Here's how. I'm going to right-click somewhere on the bookmarks bar, not on a bookmark. See if I can get that. And I'm going to go down to Add Folder. I need to give the folder a name, and I'm going to call this Daily, because I'm going to put in this folder everything that I normally open at the beginning of a school day when I come into work. So I've named the folder Daily. I want it on my bookmarks bar, and I'm going to click Save. Because I've got lots of things bookmarked, chances are it's at the very end of my very long list. I'm going to click Daily, and I'm going to put it right up on my bookmarks bar. Now this is the really neat feature. I can now literally start dragging my emoticons or favicons into that folder. So anything that I want to open on a daily basis automatically is going to appear on that folder. If I click the word Daily, I can see I've got my Drive, Infinite Campus, Google Classroom, Class AV controls, which the teachers at Heritage High School need to use, and the Manage Engine Service Desk Plus, otherwise known as the Help Desk. So I can come in the morning, I can literally right-click on the folder, open all 5, and watch what happens. Here they go. Here are all 5 being opened at one time, and I haven't had to type things in, search for them, whatever. They're all open. So the final tip that I have for you is about tabs. If you are a tab queen or tab king, you have many tabs open at the same time of things that you're working on or need to refer to or need to come back to. But it's the end of the school day and you're ready to go home. You want to close out Google Chrome and shut down your computer, but you want to be able to turn your computer back on, log in, open Chrome, and have all of those tabs open when you open Chrome. Is this even possible? Absolutely, positively, yes. Before you close Chrome, come over to the 3 dots on the far right-hand side of the address extensions bar. Click and go down to Settings. When your settings open, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see On Startup. Notice that I have it checked to continue where you left off. This means when I close Chrome and open it back up, all of my tabs will magically reappear. Once this is checked, the settings will stay for whatever set of tabs you have open at the end of the day when you shut your computer down. I hope these tips have been helpful in getting your bookmarks bar better organized and your tabs always where you want them. If you have questions, don't forget to contact your building ITRT.